Hi guys, we will talk about the multiplication tool in which you just multiply all the rows and column from one place to another place. So this one is also called the Cartesian product as well. So this is the tool, append fields. So if you have two tables and you want to cross product them all together, it will look like this. So in here you have in this first table you have three columns, the three rows, and then in here you have also have three rows as well. So if you multiply the two, so uh, multiply two tables, so uh, two 3 times 3, so it will be 9 row in total. So this one is just that each of the row in here. So for example, FY22 will be combined with all the rows in here. So you will see FY22 Indonesia, FY22 Malaysia, and FY22 Singapore. So this is what you see. So FY22 in here combined with all the countries, and then 2023 is the same thing, and that's what the same thing. So if you add one more row in here, so for example, Thailand, it will give you the last combination, which is Thailand with the FY will be combined with four countries at the same time. So you can see here, FY22 two now will be combined with four, and then this one also same thing. That's the same thing. Okay. Now, if you have the any other thing in here, any column in here, so for example, if you have the amount revenue in this case, uh, I just type random number. So how does it happen in here after the multiplication? You will see here the whole thing like this, the whole FY 22 and amount, which is this block will be multiplied with all the market. Okay, so the first block FY22 sorry, I have to emphasize this is the first row in here and multiply with all the rows in here, and then the same thing, the second row, which is this row, will be multiplied with all the market in the second table. And then similarly, the last row of the first will be multiplied with the same thing. Okay, so uh, what happened if I also add something in here? Uh, so maybe I will add the full name in here. So I will add the Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and then Thailand. So what happened with the final result? So you can see here, it will do the same thing, but then the one row in here is repeated with the whole block in here. So you can see the full name of the 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. And then similarly, the second row will be multiplied with this block, and then the third row will multiply with this block. Okay, so uh, this is kind of like the full um, combination, or the all possible combination from the two tables. Okay, if I have another table in here, so this one is a segment, and then I multiply again by this one, then can you guess what is the result? What is the final result? Uh, by the way, if you multiply like many more than 16 record in here, you have to change to allow all to append, and then you can um, multiply normally. Okay, so there you go. So normally you will um, have this um, segment like this, and then it will it will apply each segment for all the rows in here. So you have 12 rows, and then for the first re for the retail, and then actually we have to see the other way around. So this column for all the segment, and then this column, and so this row for all the segment in here, and then so on. Okay, so that's how it multiply. Assuming that if each segment has its own segment percentage or segment contribution. This one 0.1, this one 0.2, so this one 0.3. So we have 6 already. This one 0.4, so we have 10, right? 100%. And then assuming that I want to compute mm, uh, the the contribution over the years of each segment, and then how can I do that? So you can actually see in here you have the amount, and now you need the contribution in here. So you need to run this one first in order to see the contribution. Let me uh, amount by segment, which is multiply the amount and then the segment percentage here, and then I change this one to double, and then I run it. It will give me the number in here. So this one times this one will be this number. Okay, so you can do the same thing with the market as well. So assuming that this one also have this a market um, percentage, uh, 0.1. Okay, I need something else. 15 15, which is 30, 0.2, which is so this one will 3 and 5, this one 0.5, right? So it will be 100%. And then if I want to compute the contribution by market and then by segment, then I do the same thing. Amount, market, segment, amount total divided by the market divided by segment. This one is multiplied, but because the multiplier is smaller than 1, so it will be divide, similar divide. Okay, so there you go. So if you see in here, it will be broken down. If you sum this one back to by FY, it will get you to the original result in here. Let us see how it goes. So I will sum this one back to I group by FY, and then I sum this one, the last one, and it was supposed to tie back to the there you go. So you have back the number, unless one of the thing in here is they don't sum up to all the values in here don't sum up to 1, then you cannot type back. But in this case, all of them type to 1. I just type the number and then I count it already, so it's okay. So this one you can also divide, can use pivot as well. So pivot by market and segment. So I will do market and segment in here, FY in on top, and then I will do this one, the amount by market and segment in here. And then if I total, this one is supposed to tie to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 3, 4, 5 in here, which I will do it by the uh, total row in here. There you go. So you see the bottom total, the grand total will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, so so hopefully after this you know how to use this one to multiply the different dimensions all together. So this one can be useful sometime if you want to perform Cartesian completion in order to uh, to to draw the missing value as well. So sometimes you have to show the, oh, this one is missing, and then you draw the box there in order to show the missing part, and then this one is very helpful. Um, and the other application would be to regularize the data as well. So, for example, if you have like some country, you have the numbers, but the other country you don't have the number for all the years, and but you want to show the regular view for all the countries and all the years, and then this multiplication tool is also helpful for you.